Hello everyone, welcome to Technical Campus. So let us learn some useful trigonometric identities which will going to help us to solve various problems of integration. I think you all have studied about these identities in class 11 or 12. So let us quickly revise all these formula of trigonometry because we will going to use the formula of trigonometry in various problems of integration. So the first formula is sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x. Okay, so let us quickly revise all these trigonometric formula. Cos of minus x is equal to cos x. Sine x plus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Number 4 is sin x minus y, and the formula for it is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Number 5 is cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Number 6 is cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Number 7 is cos 90 degree minus x is equal to sin x. Similarly, sin 90 degree minus x is equal to cos x. So all these formula are very simple. We will use all these identities in various problems of integration. So let us learn some more. Okay. Number 9 is sin pi by 2 plus x, that is sin 90 degree plus x is equal to cos x. Similarly, cos 90 degree plus x is equal to minus sin x. Okay, sin 90 degree plus x is cos x. Similarly, cos 90 degree plus x is minus sin x. Okay, and sin 180 degree minus x is equal to sin x. Sin 180 degree plus x is equal to minus sin x. Okay, sin 2 pi minus x is equal to minus sin x. Okay, similarly, cos 180 degree minus x is equal to minus cos x. Cos 180 degree plus x is equal to minus cos x, and cos 2 pi minus x is equal to cos x. In order to memorize all this, you can use the quadrant rule. That is, in this quadrant, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. That is, you have to move anticlockwise. And in this quadrant, all the quantities, that is sine, tan, cos, are positive. In this quadrant, sine is positive, only sine is positive. In this, tan is positive, and in this, cos is positive. So this is 0, and up to this is pi by 2. This is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi again. Okay, so all the trigonometric quantity, that is sine, tan, cos, will be positive in this quadrant. In this quadrant, only sine quantity will be positive and all other will be negative. Similarly, in this quadrant, only tan quantity will be positive and all other quantities will be negative. In this quadrant, only cos quantity will be positive. Suppose sine pi minus x, that is 180 degree minus x, will be in this quadrant, so you can see sine is positive here. Similarly, cos 180 degree minus x will fall in this quadrant because up to this is 180 degree. So 180 degree minus x, any quantity which is slightly less than will be fall in this quadrant. Okay, so you can see cos is negative here because only sine is positive and all quantity is negative. You can see 2 pi minus x will be fall in this quadrant. Okay, So you can see cos is positive here, 2 pi minus x, the value of cos is positive, but 2 pi minus x for sine it will be negative, because here all the quantities except cos will be negative. Okay, so this is the concept of quadrant rule. So you can remember all these things by this way, or you can directly remember all these things. All these things are very simple. So let us learn some more formula of trigonometry. Okay, so number 10 is tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, number 11 is tan x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. Similarly, tan pi by 4, that is 45 degree, plus x is equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. Number 13 is tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to, you have to just reverse the sign, that is 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. Okay, number 14 will be cot x plus y is equal to cot x into cot y plus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Number 15, cot x minus y will be equal to cot x cot y plus 1 and cot y minus cot x. Please remember cot y minus cot x. Okay, not cot x minus cot y. Okay, number 16 is sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, or it will be 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, similarly cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, or it is 2 cos square x minus 1, or it can be also written as 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, number 18 is tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Number 19 is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x, or cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Okay, number 20 is e to the power it, okay, is equal to cos t plus I sin t. Okay, Euler's formula. So this is all about trigonometric identities. So guys, please note down all this formula and try to remember all this formula, because we have to take the help of these identities in order to solve various problem of calculus. Okay, now let us revise one simple things. Let us quickly revise the value of sine, cos and tan. So the angle are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So the value of sine 0 degree is 0 degree, sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. You have to just remember the value of angle for sine only. If you reverse this arrangement, you will get the value of cos. So if you reverse this arrangement, 1 will be this side, then root 3 by 2, then it will be 1 by root 2, and this will be half, and this will be 0. So the value of cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos 90 is 0. We all know that tan is equal to sine by cos. So we can easily get the value of tan by dividing the value of sine by cos. So 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 will be 1 by root 3. This will be 1. This will be root 3, and this will be 1 by 0 is infinite. Okay. So we will need this value in order to solve the problem of integration. Let us learn some more value of angle, that is 180 degree, 270 degree, and 360 degree. So the value of sine 180 degree is 0, 270 degree is minus 1, and this is 0 again. And value of 180 degree for cos is minus 1, this is 0, and this is minus 1. And this by this is 0, this by this is minus infinite, and this by this is again 0. Okay. So please try to remember all this value, because we will use this in the problem of integration.